Hello, everybody. This is Maestro Honorioong YouTube channel. I'm Maestro Honorioong, and this is your monthly horoscope. You will now find out your luck and fortune regarding sex, love life, business and financial opportunities, career, lucky color, and lucky numbers. Direct from Maestro Honorioong YouTube channel. Proudly present Monthly Horoscope English Edition for the month of March 2025. Aries, born from March 21 to April 19. This month of March, fortune will not disappoint you. Whatever your biggest ambition in life, it will be granted to you right away. And when you achieve this great ambition that you'd always wanted, you will celebrate and be happy because this month of March will be called a special and remarkable month, the month of fulfillment and reward. The lucky color is red. Your lucky numbers are 3, 15, 21, 23, 36, and 44. Taurus, born from April 20 to May 20. This month of March, as the planets align in the sky, you will be surprised as luck strike you consecutively in pairs. Take care and value these blessings from the heavens, because the way you protect and appreciate the luck you receive, it will continue to grow and multiply 100-fold, leading you to prosper and become more successful and wealthy. The lucky color is emerald green. Your lucky numbers are 6, 12, 24, 29, 39, and 42. Gemini, born from May 21 to June 21. This month of March, you will be surprised because right now, the heavens have heard your prayers and requests. So get ready and celebrate, as it is clearly visible in the crystal ball that different kinds of luck you'd been waiting for are coming your way, and it is in a hurry too. The lucky color is blue. Your lucky numbers are 4, 19, 20, 32, 35, and 41. Cancer, born from June 22 to July 22. Some people, because of their kindness, are deceived and taken advantage by arrogant and dishonest individuals. But for you, it is not the same. Instead, because of your immense kindness and good heart, others may think you're naive But what they don't realize is that more people will help and believe in you. This month of March, help and blessings will come rushing toward you in various ways that you may hardly believe and be able to control. As like a powerful wave, the blessings and graces that will come to you related to money and material things will be so overwhelming. The lucky color is silver. Your lucky numbers are 7, 10, 25, 34, 40, and 44. Leo, born from July 23 to August 22. It is a law of nature that success is not only achieved through strength but also through the mind. However, yours is unique and extraordinary because this is what the heavens have entrusted to you. Listen carefully. Just make yourself beautiful. This means that this month of March, even if you don't use your strength or mind, as long as you make yourself beautiful, an overwhelming amount of blessings and good fortune will come your way. These blessings will be related to happy emotion and a large amount of money. The lucky color is gold. Your lucky numbers are 4, 18, 24, 27, 32, and 42. Virgo, born from August 23 to September 22. Study the season because they will bring you good fortune. During the cold season, the animals in the forest rest, and when it's spring or summer, they happily come out. This month of March, the heavens are telling you to step outside because it is now the season of luck and spring in your faith. You will see and feel that as you step out, extraordinary luck related to large sums of money, both near and distant travels, and most of all, a thrilling and unforgettable romance will come your way. The lucky color is purple. Your lucky numbers are 3, 12, 21, 34, 39, and 45. Libra, born from September 23 to October 23. Did you know that you always choose what is beautiful? This is also why the items in your home and your personal belongings are truly beautiful. Moreover, you may not realize, but many people envy you because, truthfully, aren't you more beautiful than them? But what you don't know is that because You love choosing beautiful things this month of March. And throughout your life, you will be surprised as your luck begins now and will remain beautiful in all aspects of your life. In love life, travel, career, and even financial matters. The lucky color is baby pink. Your lucky numbers are 1, 13, 28, 31, 40, and 42. Scorpio, born from October 24 to November 21. Do you know how Jacob deceived his brother Esau, as written in the Bible in the book of Genesis? This month of March, something similar will happen in your faith. You will outsmart destiny, but you will still be incredibly lucky, as if you're gambling and suddenly winning. Not only will you win big bets, but you'll also claim everyone's stake. People will be amazed by how wonderful your fortune is, and they whisper to themselves, sometimes, that's just how life is under the sun. There are things that are hard to explain and understand. The lucky color is burgundy. Your lucky numbers are 2, 7, 14, 16, 25, and 34. Sagittarius, born from November 22 to December 21. The monkey just shook the tree and the fruits immediately fell. This month of March, something similar will happen to your experiences. With just one move, yes, one TikTok dance, all the luck and good fortune will come rushing towards you instantly. The lucky color is maroon. Your lucky numbers are 3, 15, 19, 27, 33, and 45. Capricorn, born from December 22 to January 19. Did you think success comes quickly? It doesn't. So this month of March, you should not rush. Instead, always prioritize your health. The truth is, whether you rush or not, luck and good fortune will certainly come in abundance. And the best part is that this month of March, you will also experience the beginning of massive growth in your livelihood, which will eventually make you very wealthy. Yes, believe it, and it will surely come true, because these blessings have long been destined for you by the heavens even before you were born. The lucky color is ochre yellow. Your lucky numbers are 2, 7, 22, 29, 31, and 37. Aquarius, born from January 20 to February 18. The birds in the sky are happy only when they are free to fly. Your fate is the same. It's just a cycle, and it happens that summer is coming, but the weather is still uncertain. Remember, when you lose your freedom, happiness will also disappear. Therefore, the advice for this month of March is, no matter the weather, whether it rains or shine, free yourself from sadness. Be happy. Go out of the house and celebrate. When you do this, when you're joyful despite the unpredictable weather, luck and good fortune you'd be waiting for will arrive, especially relating to large amount of money. The lucky color is lilac. Your lucky numbers are 5, 13, 16, 18, 27, and 34. Pisces, born from February 19 to March 20. Your success will rise to another level again. This means that all the efforts you previously made are now bearing fruit. Just a little more saving, a little more action, a little more courage, a little more hard work, and you will see and feel that this month of March, your livelihood is about to grow tremendously until you become truly wealthy. So much so that you can say you are very rich. The lucky color is lavender. Your lucky numbers are 1, 3, 17, 21, 25, and 33.